Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. From this today onwards, I am going to start the course of C language, which is powered by the Excellence to the Career. So it is a best company. So here you can learn the upcoming language like DS, upcoming technology like DS and machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and so on, like AWS, DevOps, so on. Okay. So from today onwards, I'm going to start the C language. This is the day one of the C language. So mm, up to you can learn like C like up to advanced level like DSA. DSA is nothing but data structure and algorithm. So up to you can learn the DSA part. After completion of the C, we will start the C++ and Java, Python, and so on, so on, so on. Okay. So please stay tuned with the Excellence to the Careers channel. So here you can see the like welcome to the C language, this is day one. So whereas coming to the second side, see, this is our agenda. Sorry, yeah, this is our agenda. Like first agenda was first point was my first C program, and the second was history of the C programming. Next third one is structure of structure of a C programming language. So we will see the what are these three parts in the today's agenda. Okay, let me change the screen. Yeah, this is my first program. I think if you have any knowledge about the C language, you can understand what is what. If not, just listen my words and let me type here heading like my first program in C language. So like it is a like online GDP compile which available in the like browsers like internet. So here you can see the like hash include stdio.h, next int main, after that printf, like let me increase the screen. Yeah, I think so you can get the point. It's too large. Just leave it aside. So here you can see that the general meaning of print was, we will know all that. The general meaning of print, which we, if we give any copy to the printer, it will print and show us, right? So whereas coming to the printf in the C language, it will prints and shows on the output of the screen. Okay, we will see in a few minutes also. So here you can see the hash include st.h. So actually std, the full form of std io.h is was like, wait a second, standard, sorry, it's my bad, st standard input output, right? Standard input and output, the full form of stdio.h is standard input and output. Basically this area like upper than like printer, here we can see the like, yeah, int main and the there is a like a circle brackets, right? So upper than like fourth, third, second, and first will be called as a pre-processor directive area. Please make a note that pre-processor directive area. The above the int main, the above the int main function area is no upper than this area is known as a pre-processor directive area. Okay. So if I run this code now, it will show you like, click on run. See, here you can see that hello world, right? Let me change the sentence, right? Let me like, welcome to C language. Okay, let me print this. See here you can see the welcome to the C language. Okay, like it is our first program. Now we will see the yeah. Now we have completed my first C program. Next, what is the second one? History of the C program. Now we will see the history of the C program, right? Let me open the notepad. Yeah. The C was invented by the Dennis Ritchie, right? He's a C inventor. Before the inventing C, he has worked like uh, before invention of the C, he works in the company called Bell Company, right? Manufacturer of Bell Company. After that, he was slowly shifted into the AT and L Labs, right? So he was shifted to the first he started his career from the Bell Company. So slowly he has shifted to the ATN Labs. After that, at ATN Labs, he had created like software called Unix. I think so. You heard like Unix software. So then he has invented like Unix software. After that he was invented C language. Okay, he was invented C language. Okay, let me tell you that before C language there are so many languages are there. So we will see that what are the language like Algol, then BPCL, okay, then language B language. So B language is most closely to the Bill Gates. So he was invented like a Windows. The first Windows, which was invented by Bill Gates, was using by B language only. So Bill Gates is so familiar with the like B language. After that invention of B language, that Dennis Richard invented C language, right? C language. Let me give the space. Yeah. So after that, after B language, Dennis Richard has invented C language. So there is small specific like question like why the Dennis Richard like named as C language? Why cannot name something else like Z language, like T language, or like F language? Why Dennis Richard said only C language? Because that he comes from the alphabetical order. Okay, he comes like after the Bill Gates has been invented like B now. So in the same scenario, the Dennis Richard was think that so let me also continue with the same alphabetical numeral. So B after C. So he kept like the C language. So if the when you went to the interview based upon the C language, so it is the most probably question like you interview can ask you. Okay. Now I think so. You got the history of the C, right? I think so. Most of the topic we have completed. What is the history of the C? So now coming to the third one. What was the third one? Structure of a C programming language. Now we will see the what is the structure of a C program language, right? Let me go to the again online GDP. Yeah, I think so. Now you can see that. So I have told you that int main upper than the, let me use this notepad or not, wait a second, let me use the paint. So like, let me take a box, text box. Let me write a program called like as include stdio.h, right? Then I will write some more as header files. I will tell you why I have called it. Previous I have told that like preprocessor area. I will explain in detail, math.h, next as include string.h, right? So let me try to increase the font size. Yeah, so now you can see that these are the like header files. Okay, now wait a second. Int main, I will write here int main, open brackets, sorry, it will be like written 0. Please remember that every C statement should be end with the semicolon, right? So every C program, like every C statement should be end with the semicolon. So now we will see the what is the preprocessor area. So preprocessor area means this pencil. So upper than, like here you can see the int main and the bracket, circle bracket, right? So upper than this area, like, so this area is called as preprocessor area. Do you understand? So int main upper side area is known as the preprocessor area. Preprocessor. So you can write that it is so difficult to write with the pencil by helping of the mouse. So you can write like preprocessor area. So now let me undo this all things stuff. So now here you can see that as include, next as include stdio.h, next as include math.h, as include string.h. What is as include basically? So basically you have a doubt, right? What is an as include? So as include is nothing but it is a library of the C. So we can pronounce as library or header files of an C. So basically it stores the, like here you can see the full form of stdio.h was standard input output, right? So by help of this as include, when we writing our program, we will implement the top of the program has header files. When we write the as include stdio.h, so that means it can, so it can print or so it can print or read the statements. That means by the help of the hash include str.h bus, it can read and print the our output, our like our expecting output in the output console, right? So this is the help of the like printer like std.h. There is more uses by implementing the means by inducing the hash include std.h in the program. In the upcoming classes we will see that. So now whereas coming to the math.h. Now we will see the math.h. It contains libraries like power libraries. So like we will know that if we want to write the power value like 2 power 4 means 4. Sorry, 2 power 2 means 4, right? Like 3 power 3 something else value, okay? So that power values will be given by the, in case our program needs to write the power values. So by the use of the hash include library we can write the power like how like pow like before I said that 2 power 4 2 means how much 4. So we have to write that 2 comma 2, sorry, 2 comma 2, which shows like the power symbols, like not only power, like trigonometry values like trigonometry values like sine of 90, sorry, sine of 90 comma cos of 0. So like that like trigonometry values also we can assign by the using of the like math.h header files, okay? So basically header files is nothing but it contains some libraries, right? So whereas now coming to the string, so most of you got the point, like string is a character which stores the characters, and like for example, if I here you can see the like in the sentence I am writing like a hello world, right? So by the help of the string.h only we can print their like text in the form of a text we can write, and we can print, and we can see the output in the results, right? So by the help of the only hash include string.h library only we can it allow to write the in the form of the characters, okay, like sentences. Now we will see the small program like so this area. So yeah, let me try to explain another point also. I have forgot to tell that. So we have completed like upper part of the program, right? Now we will see the what is the intimate. So before, so see after completion of the program, right? We have click on the run, right? The compiler will search the where is my main function. So this is the main function. So the execution part, the compilation part will start from the here, right? So like this was the 4th line, right? So the program will start from the 5th line onwards. So it will the compiler will start the searching where is my int main, like main function, where is that? So this is called like main function. So this is called as wait. Yeah, this is called as main function. Main function, okay? So int main, the program execution starts from the int main, int main or word main, what it may be, like some main. So we will see the upcoming classes, right? But the execution part starts from the main function, right? So please remember that when you are interview, like recruiter asking to, so like as a fresher, like how we will ask like a let me explain a bit. Sorry. So interview will ask where the program will start the execution, right? So now you can tell that, you can confidently tell that the program will start execution from the int main, sorry, not main function. So this area, sorry, it's my bad. So this area is called as function area. Okay, function area, the int main here, no. So this like this area is called as a function area. So upper than main function area is called as, what is called as preprocessor directive area. Okay, preprocessor directive area. So now we will see the another topic, like, let me increase the paper. Yeah, now we will see the what are the macros. Yeah, I think so you have here like macros. Yeah, macros. So what are the macros? Like, for example, let me write the another one. Hash define pi. What is the value of pi? 3.14, right? 3.14, the pi value was. So if we before starting the program in the preprocessor direct area, if we define like any value like pi value, or let me explain, let me like a equals to 10 or a equals to 20, b equals to 300, whatever it may be. If we define in the preprocessor area like pi equal to 3.4, so basically it is a global, like what we call global variable, sorry, it is called as global variable, which can access whole program. So by, if we writing global variable, so the variable will be accessed from the whole program. Okay, like if we define like pi equal to 3.4, right, in the program again we will try to change the pi value, it will own change. Let me figure out, see. So computer, like I will open here int main. Okay, int main, sorry, int main, let me tell that okay, pi equals to 4.15 and with semicolon, then printf double quotes, the value of pi is okay. Let me, I will tell you what is the percentage f and percentage c. Just see the program. So okay, this is a program, right? If we try to print this, what value it will print? 3.4. So do you understand, right? So if the in the preprocessor area, if we define any value, so it will access the whole program. Okay, it will access the whole program. So we cannot change the manually again that value. So if you see here, I have entered like a pi equal to 4.5, right? But in the define I have like a pi equal to 3.14. So it will take from the define only. So basically I have first only defined that. So this pi value should not be changed in entire program. Okay, I am defining that this pi value should not change the value in the anywhere in the program. So I am defining on the top of the program, it's first in the program. Okay. So this is called as a macros. In the upcoming classes we will see the depth of the macros. We will go through the depth. So now we will see the, now again we will revise that. Wait a second. So up to here you can understand, right? If you are having any doubt, you can leave the comment box section. I will try in my leisure time. I will try to clarify your doubts. Okay. Now we will see the variables. Variables. So variables is nothing but a value. A variable can store a value, like variable in the form of the words. Okay, words are the combination of the characters. See, let me like a equals to 10. Okay, it is a variable, means variable which can store a value. That's it. Variable the workflow was variable workflow is nothing but which stores a value. That's it, variable. So now let me now we will write a program, like small program. It's like adding two numbers program. So let me remove this all. So I have told you that it is a function. Intimate means our program execution starts from the function area. Function area. So upper than up to like first line only na. This is called as a preprocessor area. Preprocessor area means preprocessor directory area, right? So and this is called as libraries. Let me devise all this. Libraries. Okay, like it is called as an int main. Where is the function area? It is upper than the function area. It is called as preprocessor directory area. All this like up to first line. So it like as include stdio.h is known as the libraries, or you can call as like header file. Okay, you can call as a header file also. So let me write a small program. Let me take int. I will this is the data type. I will explain you what are the data type also. Just see this program. Like I will take the variable like a equals to 10 comma, next b equals to 20 comma, space sum. I will give the sum. So actually it is called as a variable, means variable. I have told you that variable is nothing but it stores an value, right? So I have told that variable. So a equal to 10. Okay, it is in a variable. Next coming to the b equal to 20. Okay, it is in a variable also, right? So now coming to the sum, there is no value assigned to the sum. So what is this type of? So this type of situations is called as a garbage value. So there is no value assigned to the sum, right? So we cannot call as a variable. It called as a garbage value. It stores the garbage values. Let me write in the comment. Garbage values. Alright. So yeah. So okay, I'll leave the spelling mistake. So garbage value. So garbage value means what? So the sum of these two, like a plus b, the sum of these two which will stores in this sum. Okay, let me see. See, now we will write this sum. Like how much sum equals to. Now what I was doing, addition of two numbers, right? A plus b, end with semicolon. Must and should. Every C statement should be ends with the semicolon only. Don't forget to put the semicolon. Okay. At the last, I have to print up. The value should be printed to know whether it is right or wrong. So I am writing the printf statement. Printf double quotes like the total value, the sum of value. Let me try sum of value equals to like colon. I will use colon and percentage d comma. Just I will enter the sum value. So now what will be the process was in the background of the C processor. So the addition of two numbers like 10 plus 20 means what is the value? 10 plus 20, 30, right? So that 30 value stores in the sum. Okay, So that's why we have left the sum like ideally, because we does not assign any value to the sum. So because to why we have left the sum like ideally not assigning any value means because this two, the value of these two should be stored in the sum. So that's why I have left the sum like ideally, does not assigning any value. Like this type of ideal variable is called as a garbage value, means which store the results, which stores our result value. Now we will the last at the last we have to write the return 0. So return 0. Now we will try to print this entire program. Click on run. So here you can see the total, the sum of value is, which colon is 30. So I think so you understand this today's introduction part. The introduction for part will until like tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So by the 3 days of the session we will complete our introduction part. So don't bother if you does not understand this first class, you can don't bother and don't think about that. In upcoming classes you can understand what is this return 0 and what is this like int. So all of things you can get the point, okay, and what is it like a decimal, like a percentage d, okay. So don't bother about that particular small doubts. So in the upcoming class definitely I will figure out your doubts. If other than that, if you having any doubt, just give on the like comment below. Just I will try to, in my leisure hours, I will try to reply to your comments. So that's it for the today. Let me end the session. So we have seen that my first C program, and we have seen that the story of the C programming language, and we have learned the structure of a C programming language. So today is enough for the today's session. So finally, end of the day was these classes will be this classes as provided by the Excellence to the Career, right? So please subscribe to the channel. In upcoming future, this channel will also going to the like teach you data science, machine learning absolutely free. So make a note that absolutely free from the scratch onwards, from the scratch to the advanced level. So absolutely free, like AWS cloud computing, the combination of AWS and DevOps, like data science, machine learning, and blah blah blah, whatever it may be, okay. So without zero of money. So please subscribe to the channel. You can get the more knowledge, and try to like the Excellence to the Career is planning to the like planning to teach the aptitude courses also, which help you in the interview round. Basically the most of the company like Deloitte, BPS, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, and moreover. So the first round will be the aptitude test. So if we clear only aptitude test, then we will go to the second round, like a technical round or overall round. So whatever they wish. But the common point to the first round will be aptitude test as a fresher. So the Excellence to the Career has planning to start the aptitude test classes also. So please stay tuned with the Excellence to the Career channel. You can get the more classes from it. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.